Welcome to Godrej Locking Solutions. We RR Agencies are one of the major distributors for Godrej locks. We have got a variety of locking solutions for all your door types. Here we are showing the Mortise lock body along with one CK cylinder. You can separately select a good handle of your choice. It comes with all the accessories and fixing can be done by Godrej trained technicians. The model shown here is a 1 CK type. Only on one side the keys are available. We also have 2 CK where on both the sides keys are available. Please contact any of our branches or the given numbers for best offer on all models of Godrej locks. This is satin steel finish. We have also got other finishes. This is a real heavy lock, and as you can see, it has got an excellent finish. This is how the cylinder will go inside the lock. So when you turn the knob, you can see the shooting bolt coming outside. This is how the key operates.